This week we're going to learn how to shut down USB hubs automatically. My name is Steve, this is TQA Weekly, and it's a two-step process. We're going to be first talking about the fact that you're going to have to turn off power from your computer, and that may only work with various main boards out there. And the other step has to do with all USB hubs that are connected into the wall outlet. We're going to start off with the first part because without the first part, neither method actually works to turn off a USB hub automatically. Why would you want to turn off a USB hub automatically? Some of you want to save power and others want to be able to make sure that specific items turn off whenever your computer is actually off. So there are benefits for everything turning off. Let's start off with the first part. USB hubs connected to your main board. While certain manufacturers may make this impossible for you, many of you will have pre-built computers that are containing aftermarket mainboards. So what would be a custom computer? If you are lucky enough to have one of those mainboards, you can go online, look into the manual, see where in the BIOS you can turn off USB power whenever the computer is turned off. It is not always in the same place. So you will have to actually look at the manufacturer's manual to see where you can do this. Turning it off will have a few side effects though. You will not be able to charge any devices with the computer. You will no longer be able to turn on your computer using USB devices, and therefore anything that you were doing before that requires USB power will not be possible. So use at your own discretion. If you're trying to save power, that is a way that you can handle it, but you will have to actually look at the user manual. It's not always possible, but if it is, you need to do this first. For the second part, you will either need a surge bar with a master controlled set of outlets or a UPS with a master controlled set of outlets. I have talked about this on my podcast before, and generally how this works is the master device is in the master control plug outlet, and it determines whether or not the other master controlled outlets are on or off. If the primary device turns on, those outlets are turned on. And when it is off, those outlets turn off. They can range from $40, $50 to several hundred. It depends what you're trying to do. It's definitely more expensive to have a UPS than a surge bar, but a UPS comes with the benefit of not frying your hardware. And that's all you basically have to do. Turn off power from your main board, that's in the BIOS, that you have to look up in the manual, and get yourself either a surge bar or a UPS with a master controlled outlet so that you can turn off various outlets on it. And that's it. It does cost money though if you are plugging a USB hub into the wall for that other solution. If you don't plug the USB hub into the wall, you only have to do the part in the BIOS. I hope that helps. Like this episode if you like it, dislike it if you didn't, share with those you think can benefit from this, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions, comments, suggestions for topics, email me at ask@tqaweekly.com or go to my website, tqaweekly.com, where you can see the show notes on this episode, past others, find other ways of subscribing. And of course, use the contact form to email me directly. And if you want to see me play video games, I stream every Friday, Saturday, and Sunday from 7 to 9 p.m. Eastern, and I am currently playing Spider-Man with Miles Morales. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.